Welcome. In this video I will show you how to perform a factory reset on your Logitech G512 X75 keyboard. So there are several ways to do that depending on what you want to achieve. First of all, if your keyboard stopped working with your computer and your keys aren't responding, then in order to perform a factory reset operation, you're going to have to unplug the power cable, then hold down the G or the escape key, the F1, F3 and F5 keys simultaneously. While holding them down, you have to plug in the cable and keep holding them for a couple of seconds. If your keyboard returns to its default Lightsync preset, then release all keys, remove the cable once again, and then hold down these 4 keys once again, F1, F3, F5 and escape, and then plug in your cable and then wait for about 10 seconds. Your keyboard will turn purple color. Once it does, you can release all of these keys, and then a couple of effects will change. Once it starts blinking with green colors and stops doing that and returns to purple, we can unplug the keyboard and plug it back in, and this will perform the connection reset. So basically it will reset the connection between your keyboard and the computer. I cannot exactly tell you in which way, but basically after doing that, if you had any issues between your keyboard and your computer and you weren't able to use it, right now you will. But still, if it doesn't erase our RGB settings, so in order to do that, we're gonna have to launch the G Hub application, and then we can, for example, go to our profile. If you want to reset the profile to default settings, just go to manage profile, select desktop your default profile, and then we can restore the backed up settings. Okay, so we fortunately we cannot delete the default profile. We can delete only the other ones. But if we go to devices, then keyboard settings, and then go separately to Lightsync, assignments, and also analog switches, assignments, and basically we can reset all of these settings to default. Just select the default effect, or just disable the effect if you want to. In assignments, you can delete your current preset. In performance, you can also delete your current preset. And if you want to reset the onboard settings of your keyboard, go to device settings by clicking in the bottom left corner, then go to onboard mode, enable it, and select restore all profile slots to default. And that's, I think, all the ways in which you can perform factory reset operation on your keyboard. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.